Checkpoint, setting up shop at 45 degrees southwest. Over.
Roger that, Rabbit. Get in position. We'll flush out the target. Over.
What's that sound? Go check it out. Got it. Hello? Anyone there? There's no one here. Roger that. That's enough. Search every nook and cranny. I want whoever is doing this in custody yesterday. Understood. The longer this goes on, the more vulnerable we are. Battles are won by overwhelming application of force, not letting your enemies run circles around you. Remember that. Affirmative. Let's do it right this time. What's happening? We got a situation.
Need a hand over here!
Stay alert. Nothing here.
What the?
Yeah, I got nothing. There's no threat. Over. What? Man, thought I heard something. Checking it out. Hey there. Hello? Nothing here.
Hello there. Hello?
Yeah, I got nothing.
Man, be advised. Something's definitely off. Checking out the perimeter. Over.
What's going on over there?
Suit up! We need backup! Advance to be recognized. Check every square inch. Move! Move!
Affirmative.
Heard anything from anybody else? Over.
All clear. Safety's on. Do something! Are you okay, my son? Fucking move! You're a coward, Sheriff Skurky! I'm gonna shoot this son of a bitch!
Lie down!
Please, I can't die in a church.
Last time, where's Victoria?
Oh, go fuck yourself.